In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best white stuff from a code in 2024. This is pretty simple and I'm going to jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for white stuff from a code. Right here, you have to search for couponfollow.com and open this website. And right here, as you can see, there is a list with some promo codes and offers that we can use. And for example, if I want to use this 4% off discount, all I have to do is select show coupon code right here. And this is my discount code. So if I'm going to use this code on my next purchase, I will get the 4% discount. Also, I can go back to the main search right here and go to retrade.com, which I recommend as well. So right here we have other promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this free shipping promo code, all I have to do is select copy code right here, and this is my promo code. So on my next purchase, if I'm going to use this promo code, I will get a free shipping. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.